Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 20 creative ways to decorate your living room space, plus a bonus tip at the end that you won't want to miss. So make sure you stick around till the very last tip. Whether your style is modern, cozy, minimalist, or somewhere in between, these ideas will help you refresh your space without breaking the bank. Let's get into it. 1. Add a statement rug. A bold rug instantly anchors the room. Choose one with patterns, textures, or vibrant colors to make your living room pop. 2. Layer your lighting. Use a combo of overhead lights, floor lamps, and table lamps to add depth and warmth to your space. 3. Bring in some greenery. Plants breathe life into any room. Try low-maintenance options like snake plants or pothos for that fresh, natural feel. 4. Create a gallery wall. Frame your favorite art, photos, or even typography pieces for a personalized focal point. 5. Switch up throw pillows. Throw pillows are like the jewelry of your sofa. Mix colors, shapes, and textures for a fun refresh. 6. Add floating shelves. They're perfect for displaying books, plants, or decor. Plus, they save on floor space. 7. Paint an accent wall. Go bold with one wall, think forest green, navy blue, or even a modern wallpaper print. 8. Style your coffee table. Add a tray, candles, coffee table books, and a small vase or sculpture to make it look curated and classy. 9. Hang a large mirror. Mirrors reflect light and open up the room, making your space feel bigger and brighter. 10. Add a pop of color. Even in a neutral space, a bold colored chair, vase, or artwork can liven things up instantly. 11. Layer on cozy throws. A textured blanket draped over your sofa or chair adds warmth and style at the same time. 12. Make a statement with art. One oversized artwork or print can act as a strong focal point and set the tone for the whole room. 13. Try multifunctional furniture. Ottomans with storage or nesting coffee tables are perfect for small spaces and super practical. 14. Mix up materials. Combine wood, glass, metal, and soft fabrics to add contrast and richness to your space. 15. Add personal touches. Display travel souvenirs, favorite books, or keepsakes to make your space feel truly yours. 16. Create a reading nook. A cozy chair, a soft throw, and a floor lamp in the corner is all you need to carve out a relaxing spot. 17. Upgrade your curtains. Flowy, high-hung curtains can add drama and height to your room. Go for bold or sheer depending on the mood. 18. Rotate seasonal decor. Keep things fresh throughout the year with small seasonal touches like pillows, candles, or wreaths. 19. Install a statement light fixture. A stylish chandelier or pendant light draws the eye upward and adds elegance and personality. 20. Keep it minimal. Less is more. Clear clutter, let your statement pieces shine, and allow your space to breathe. Bonus tip. Use scent to set the mood. Don't underestimate the power of scent. Use candles, diffusers, or essential oils to create a calming, welcoming atmosphere that instantly elevates the feel of your space. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these tips gave you some inspiration to transform your living room into a space you truly love. Let me know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try, or share one of your own tips. And hey, if you want to grab any of the decor pieces or similar items I mentioned, check out the Amazon links in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home styling tips and inspiration.
See you next time.